Today we're on an adventure. I live in Central California, and today we woke up and we decided we were going to take a road trip. We left the house around 6 in the morning, drove about 4.5 hours up north, and we are now here at Hedge Creek Falls. We're going to do a little bit of a hike. Alright guys, so 10-minute walk down the hill and we made it to the river. We're gonna go ahead and cross this and shortcut. The railroad tracks should be just up ahead there to get to the waterfall, so it shouldn't be too bad. I think the hardest part is gonna cross the river, not falling or slipping, and the water is cold, by the way. So other than that, it's gorgeous. It's so clear, the water. I wish there were fish here and I would have brought my pole with me, but it looks great. Anyways, let's cut across and try not to fall. All right, let's go.
Like, I think he went in a little bit deeper part. You know, the bristles, like right where the bristles are, I think that's the
Oof, we crossed the river, guys. That water was cold, and it is end of July right now.
Yep.
Forecast for today is 99 out here, but that water, freezing cold. Made it through though. Tip for that is when you're walking, step on the smaller pebbles, rocks. Don't step on the big ones, as the big ones are very slippery and you will fall. But otherwise, right now the water was a little bit past my knee and we made it, and now we're here at the tracks. We're gonna follow the tracks here, go upstream until we get there. Now keep in mind, I believe it's some sort of penalty for trespassing on train tracks. So if you're watching this video, go ahead and click away now. Otherwise, just mind your business, that's all. And we're gonna do the little hike. Let's go. made it. Super short walk, super short hike. I think it's been 30 minutes tops, and that's just because we're taking our sweet time. But otherwise, this place is gorgeous. There's falls behind me, falls to my right, and a nice beautiful river going down to my left. This place is gorgeous. You can feel the coolness of the water hitting you as you get down here, so it feels amazing. I recommend anybody that wants to come here, please come here. It's a great little walk. It's very moderate, easy to moderate. It's not that hard at all. And you're gonna love it. It's amazing. Now, if you come here in summer, like I am right now, you're gonna see a lot of people, so just be prepared to see a bunch of people when you get down here. But otherwise, this place is gorgeous. The mist from the water feels amazing right now. And we're gonna enjoy ourselves here, have a great little time, and then head back in a little bit. Alright? Let's go. Okay guys, so we're having a great time out here. It's gorgeous, the weather is great. It's supposed to be in the 90s here, but it feels great because of the waterfalls. As you can see behind me, we're just sitting here and we're getting ready to have a snack, midday snack. Always pack a snack or some lunch or some food or something when you're coming out on these hikes, because you never know, you might just want to chill for a little bit, and you get hungry, you're ready to go. You don't have to worry about going back early or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and enjoy a little snack here, midday lunch, picnic if you would, romantic picnic with the wifey, and have a great time. All right, let's go. All right guys, so we've had our fun. We've got a chance to experience it a little bit close up, and now it's time for our next adventure. It's been great. I recommend anybody that's within a drive from this place to come visit. Hedge Creek Falls, Northern California. It's gorgeous. I recommend it to everybody. It's super easy. Families are here. I've seen people, elderly people out here. Everybody's here having a great time. Bring your families and come and enjoy this beautiful nature out here. Alright, but now we gotta keep it pushing on to our next adventure. Let's go see if we can find anything else that's pretty cool, huh? Let's go.
Hey babe, how'd you like the little hike?
Yeah, very moderate. It's really good.
How long would you say the whole thing is?
Well, you can do the whole thing in less than 30 minutes. Just depending on whether you stop and you look around or not. How long it takes you to cross the river. Well, less than 30 minutes, definitely.
Less than 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Is it kid friendly, pet friendly?
Well, like we've seen
all of the
people with their
above,
kids, and we've seen people with their pets. We've even seen people with their elderly parents. So I think it's very doable for anybody that wants to come out, have a good time.